Hello and namaste to everyone. This is R Sneha and today we are going to discuss an important part of our lifestyle, that is our early morning habits. Mornings are crucial and hence everyone needs some instantaneous energy to kickstart the day, just like petrol or diesel provides to a vehicle's engine. Well, this morning drink can differ from person to person. They are green tea, coffee, hot lime water, cumin water, cinnamon bark water, black coffee, fresh juices, etc., and the most famous varieties of Indian chai. Every morning seems incomplete without feeling the hot brewing cup of chai, sitting in the balcony with a newspaper in the hand and drinking it slowly, sip by sip, makes one feel, a perfect morning. The uniqueness in the taste of chai, its varying varieties and flavors, makes the chai world famous. But is it the best beverage to be consumed in the morning? And if not, then what is the world's best morning drink? Yes, well, to our surprise, it is water. Yes, water is the best beverage to be consumed in the morning. With great varieties of tea like Rajasthan's Rajwadi chai, Kerala's Sulaimani chai, Bengal's Lembu cha, Marwar's Kesar chai, Assam's Rongasa, Gujarat's Masaledar cha, comes great health benefits too. A cup of chai or tea made with ingredients like ginger, jaggery, clove, saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, lime when milk is absent in the early mornings can make your day fit with no health issues. This magical cup of chai, whether it is Rajwadi or Rongasa, aids in digestion, cleaning the kidney, thereby preventing bloating, reducing blood cholesterol, and improving blood circulation. Chai patti or the tea leaves is rich with antioxidants in the form of polyphenols, thereby helping in fighting of free radical damage and which otherwise can be a gateway to diseases like high BP, atherosclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and etc. Morning breakfasts are important as they stimulate the neurons and the entire neural system after the long sleeping hours. Tea or chai too helps in this process. It contains a substance called caffeine which stimulates the brain, blocking the adenosine, and stimulates a neurotransmitter called dopamine in the body, enhancing the energy level needed to perform the everyday tasks. Also, according to sources, it contains 25 to 29 milligrams of caffeine, which is comparatively lower than the 40 milligrams of caffeine contained in a usual cup of coffee, which actually can mess up with our adrenaline levels, though providing immense energy needed to do work, according to the sources. Also, tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has a soothing and relaxing effect on the mind. It is also a powerful stress buster as it can bring down the cortisol levels in stressed patients by 47%. It is said that any caffeine driven source leads to sleepiness, but in the case of chai, it is not so. In fact, the caffeine present in the chai can increase the levels of dopamine production and triggers the brain to produce more alpha waves, which helps boost creativity, memory, focus, lowering depression and anxiety. The polyphenols and antioxidants present in the tea helps keep esophageal and lung cancers at bay. It also raises the body's metabolic rate and enhances the body's fat burning abilities. Tea is also rich with catechins, which is another disease fighting antioxidant. Now, a question again pops up in the mind. Is the world's famous thing also the world's best one? For example, chocolates may be world famous, but they are not always good for health. Also, walking is best and a must to maintain the lower body fitness. And yes, it is world famous. So, there is an equal opportunity that the most famous thing may or may not be the world's best thing. With the beautiful roses comes thorns too. Similarly, with the advantages of drinking tea comes disadvantages too. Drinking tea in the early morning and empty stomach can give rise to problems like hyperacidity, disturbing the acidic and the alkaline balance in the stomach and affecting the metabolic activity, giving a weak bladder and dry skin. It can also dehydrate the body due to its diuretic nature. Tea has traces of nicotine which can provide an addicting effect. Addition of milk in the morning tea can make the things worse as milk contains lactose which can make the tea even more acidic, and also the milk proteins present in the milk can bind with the polyphenols present in the tea which can decrease the overall antioxidant capacity of the tea or the chai. Earlier in the essay, we had claimed that the world's best morning drink is water. Let us understand the reason behind it. According to the doctors and sources, water is considered as the world's best morning drink as it comes with countless health benefits, zero disadvantages or the side effects, and is the ideal fluid for the human body to fight the morning dehydration. Drinking water or H2O after 10 to 15 minutes of waking up helps rehydrate the body. This rehydration is necessary as the body was undergoing dehydration for several hours during sleep. Consuming 2 glasses of water at room temperature, empty stomach in the early morning can be glasses of heavenly drink. The reason lies in its benefits. It flushes out the toxins from the body, improves the skin, gut and mental health, balances the body fluids, regulates the bowel movements, supports the immune system, improves the metabolism, helps in thermoregulation, prevents the colon infection, headaches and migraines. We drink water throughout the day. Will not this water content provide us those benefits which we are mentioning above? This would be one of the common questions that we would be having in our minds, and the answer to it is yes. The water that we intake would provide us these benefits, but a difference in the body system would arise when the additional 2 glasses of water are consumed in the morning. And the difference is that the efficiency of our body and our system would increase, hence proving itself to be a heavenly drink, providing a green, fit and long life. So, water or the world's most famous chai. The choice of choosing a morning drink is yours. Scientific reasons help us choose better and wiser. This may not seem to be worth being called a big choice, but there is often a saying that take care of small things and the big things shall fall into the place. So, the most famous or the world's best. Choose your morning drink and grab it next morning, making it an everyday practice, because when mornings are healthy, the entire life automatically begins to become healthy. Thank you.